Anytime a client is going to remodel the home, a question always comes up, do I need an interior designer? The answer to that question is maybe. It depends on three things. Do you have the time? Do you have the ability to decide what you like and don't like in a quick, efficient manner? And are you generally considered to be an organized person? If you can answer yes to those three things, then we work together collaboratively to get a project done successfully. My job is to help you understand the decisions you make. Are they considered normal or are they considered abnormal? The pros and the cons of any decision so that you can arrive at a successful project at the end. If you do that, you can achieve some good things. The project I'm going to show you now is Dr. Gray, and he had the time. He answered yes to all those questions, and I think he did a fantastic job. So I'm going to show you that job next. Okay, so here's a project for the past client, Doctor, who was... The story of this job is how creative he was. He used this e-pay that he got from his brother on a deck and repurposed it. And we designed a way to install them onto sleepers on the wall. And it's flush here with a tile that was designed to be like a keystone. He's going to put a screen on that. So I thought that was quite clever, a little wood area. That was nice. We put tile on the floor, redid all the walls and everything, but this bathroom also. This is also, the client was the designer on this, and he thought enough to be able to lay out a tile floor with an inlay, quite nice. Love the freestanding tub. We redesigned this whole space, and the cool wall-mounted faucet, separate toilet area, and a walk-in shower. He didn't want to go barrier free. He kind of liked the idea of the curb. But notice the tile on the floor matches the tile in the inlay. And this is a custom made vanity and top. Haven't done the mirror yet. It's got to be a mirror right there. And there you go. So there's a bathroom remodel project in Tiburon where the client was the interior designer and thought it turned out quite beautiful.